John Donne observed that no man is an island, capturing the fact that humans are essentially social animals. We all like to be connected to others, and this is why mobile phones are so very popular. We are all dependent on our friends and family, our network. So what happens when you take sides? That is, you might be watching a sporting event, for example, in which you have no particular interest regarding who wins, but yet you soon find yourself preferring one side to another. And it's hard to stay aloof in any division of opinion, any quarrel or conflict. Group thinking could be seen as an evolutionary advantage. Clubbing together against a tiger or gang of aggressive strangers has obvious survival value. However, in modern times, this natural inclination to be part of a group can have less constructive outcomes. This is a madness of crowds. People can be whipped up by charismatic leaders into collective bloodlust. We see it every day in the media. People do horrible things as one of a mob that they would never dream of doing on their own. So whose side are you on? The side of generosity of spirit, tolerance, and social justice? The side of love